Hey guys, welcome. Is your Spotify not working correctly and playlists loading blank or missing songs? Well, in this video we're talking about how to fix this. So firstly guys, as you can see I have a task manager open on my screen, and the first fix is going to be completely closing Spotify. You can of course just close the window of Spotify, or you can just end the task like this, and as you can see now Spotify is completely closed. Now the second thing, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable signal may prevent playlists from syncing fully. Then you can also try out logging out from your Spotify account, and then you can try logging back in. This refreshes your account data and reloads your playlists. If you're using offline mode, switch it off. Songs won't appear if they haven't been downloaded to the device. Also, you can go to the App Store or Google Play and update the Spotify app. Outdated app versions can cause display issues. On desktop, you can clear the cache by going to the settings, storage, and then clear cache. Right guys, so as you can see, you just scroll to the very bottom, and here under storage, press on clear cache. Like that. And as you can see now, we've cleared our cache. And that's pretty much it. You can also try logging in with a different device or the web player at open.spotify.com. And that's how you fix this issue. Like and subscribe for more fast tech fixes, and I'll see you soon.